Have you been contemplating a home renovation? It's a big decision that requires careful consideration. Today, I'll explore whether renovating is the right choice for you and shed some light on the truth about renovation projects. Let's dive into the factors that you should consider before embarking on a renovation journey. If your current home no longer suits your needs or style, a renovation may seem like the answer. However, it's essential to assess if your home is structurally sound and if you only require minor changes. In such cases, renovating can be the way to go. When considering a renovation, ask yourself some important questions. Are you compromising on the look and feel you truly desire for your new home? Are you missing out on better views, energy efficiency, and structural enhancements that a new build could offer? Consider the practical aspects of living in a home undergoing renovation. Can you manage the ongoing mess and inconvenience? Are you prepared to deal with the time-consuming process of getting quotes and managing trades? Renovations can be costly. Make sure to evaluate your budget and be aware that extensive renovations may not be cheap. Think about the potential lifespan a renovation will add to your home. Is it worth the investment in the long run, both in terms of functionality and financial value? Ultimately, the decision between renovating and rebuilding comes down to two factors: sentiment and finance. If your heart and budget align, new build might be the perfect solution. Now, let's face some home truths about renovations. Extensive renovations with major structural changes can sometimes end up being more cost-effective to start from scratch and build a brand new home. Building a new home comes with advantages like using modern materials and systems, which maximize efficiency and save time. Plus, you can benefit from the fixed price contract with your builder. Whether you choose to renovate or build a new home, make sure to carefully weigh your options and find the best fit for your needs and budget. For more helpful tips and information on building your custom home, be sure to subscribe to our channel.